Hello everyone, Erica with AndaraAwakening.com, and today I have a very special Andara Crystal collector specimen for us to do a meditation, a transmission with. And this, my Andara friends, is called a Trinity in Unity Andara Crystal. And as I had kind of tuned into this Andara to ask, what shall I call you? I was really drawn to, this Andara has several colors in it, but over here's like this amazing, like gold, yellow, and then we have it's like a rainbow. We've got this aqua and this beautiful blue, and over here purple, and over here green, and green gold at the very tip. And so I clearly saw when I held this, and I held it to my heart, and I held it to my third eye. Those are two places that I really like to hold an Andara. I sleep with the Andara literally on my forehead like this, and I don't move. It's hysterical. My husband's like, you did not move. Like, the Andara is still there. So this is a very direct way to connect with an Andara crystal. Place it right on your third eye, or on any of your chakras, holding it in either hand or putting it right on your heart. Just holding it like this, and it's like already, like I feel my, like this spinning sensation in my heart. So the Trinity and Unity, it's a one-of-a-kind collector specimen and a master Andara, and it represents the Trinity and Unity within you. So, from religion, historically, it was the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Well, if we get real with the teaching and what the Trinity and Unity really means, is it represents the Creator, or that higher power of your heart's understanding. So the Creator, infinite, divine, God, Goddess, all that is. So that infinite divine aspect of yourself. And then the human in form, and then the Holy Spirit, or the divine spark within you. So Creator, your human form, your humanity, and the divine spark, the divine light that's within each and every one of us. So activating this sacred and holy union within the individual, the Trinity and Unity within you, it activates that very holy, divine aspects of self for self-awareness, self-realization, enlightenment, awakening, spiritual acceleration, opening you to your spiritual journey, opening and expanding consciousness, opening the heart, and healing that which is resolved within us so that we can experience the Trinity and Unity within us. We can experience that divine light, that divine spark, the Holy Spirit within us. And also the higher mind, connecting with the awakened consciousness, connecting with the heart, and flipping the polarity within, so that instead of living from the mind, making choices from the mind, perceiving from the mind, judging from the mind, criticizing from the mind, making up stories from the mind, we live heart-centered consciousness, open heart, giving and receiving love freely. Who doesn't want that, right? So as the Trinity and Unity harmonizes within oneself, consciousness is elevated, mind open to the truth in all things, heart opens and one finds that giving and receiving love freely becomes magical. And this Andara, it activates the divine spark within you, and then you become a beacon of light for others, lighting the sacred spark within all of those you encounter. So let's just connect, gaze at this Andara for just 15 seconds. And as you gaze at it, you automatically connect with it. And then this Andara will respond in kind and connect with you. And the energies of this Andara are going to immediately go into the third eye, into the heart space, and into the solar plexus above the belly button. Activating these points, activating the Trinity and unity inside of you, harmonizing the Trinity and unity, bringing it online so that you can access this higher dimensional realm of consciousness, being, light, living, celebrating as the joyful human you are. So once you connect, close your eyes, bringing the frequencies and the activations of this Andara now into the third eye, into the heart, into the solar plexus, asking for the harmonization and unity of the Trinity and unity within us, connecting mind, heart to divine spark. Clearing, purifying, transmuting, alchemizing anything that is in the way of this divine embodiment, this level of consciousness, this level of energy, frequency. Anything we're holding on to that we're ready to surrender, let go of, transform. May this be done now in the most loving, highest destiny way possible, with ease, speed, and grace. And now asking this Trinity and Unity Andara crystal to activate within us that which we are ready for in regards to this sacred unity, this holy Trinity, that we hold sacred seeds of wisdom, of love, of oneness within us. Elevating us, mind, body, spirit, soul, and life to the highest that we can access at this time. And harmonizing the mind, the higher mind, all of our energy centers, subtle bodies, auric field, every part of us, harmonizing with these new frequencies, with these activations, with this grace and light. And with this, understand that this process will continue until it's reached its very fullest and highest completion, with so much love and grace and sweetness. So thank you for watching. Thank you for connecting today with this beautifully illuminating Andara. And we look forward to sharing more soon.